How to fix Instagram follow requests not showing. So hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings, open the apps manager, go to the apps and then open the Instagram app informations. Click here on the data usage and then disable all the options and enable them again like this. Make sure that all the network access options are enabled. Go back, click on this force stop, click on the storage, click on this clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the open by default option, click on the open supported links in this app like this and click on ask every time. Now go back to the home page, open the Play Store and search for Instagram and then update it. And you can do the same thing on the App Store on iPhone. After that, restart your phone, reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.